Hello everyone. Our today's topic is time and work, part of non-verbal reasoning. First of all, let's understand some terminologies. First is work. Work is time taken into efficiency. Now what is efficiency? It is the rate of work done. Suppose A completes his work in 5 days and B completes its work in 10 days. Now there is a term called unit of work done. Unit of work done. This is equal to per day work. For A, unit work done is 1/5 unit work per day, and for B it is 1/10 unit work per day. Basically यूनिट ऑफ वर्क डन इज एक दिन में कितना यूनिट वर्क हुआ है. देयर इज अनदर टर्म नोन एज टोटल यूनिट ऑफ वर्क. Now this is equal to the LCM of time taken by A and B. Here in this question, total unit of work is LCM of 5 and 10. Which is 10. From here, efficiency is rate of work done. We have total number of work, so we can find out the efficiency of A and B individually. Now efficiency of A will be total work upon 5, which is 10/5 equals to 2. Now efficiency of B, total work by 10, that is 1. Now efficiency of A and B together will be EFF A plus B will be 2 plus 1. Efficiency of A and efficiency of B together 3. Now together A and B will complete their work in how many days? Let's calculate. Time taken by A and B together will be, वर्क कितना था हमने अभी निकाला था, टोटल वर्क which was 10 डिवाइड बाय efficiency of A and B together 3 days. They will take 10/3 days to complete their work. Now let's solve different types of questions asked.